Oh, this is a fun one. Yeah. This is the story of the time I delivered my own baby. I'm Aaron, and this is Behind the Craft. SimplyLEDs was looking to kickstart a campaign personifying their retrofit LED light kit, Sam. Sam's unique design and adjustable arms give it the ability to fit into almost any fixture. So when talking about its origin story, I wanted to go backwards and see how Sam got to where it is today. I wrote a script that would show that Sam didn't always fit in, then show how that struggle motivated Sam to greatness through a classic 80s workout montage. To pull off these shots, I took Sam into the studio, shot it going through the motions of lifting weights, climbing mountains, boxing a punching bag, and more. I'd take this footage into the computer, mask out the people in the original stock footage we purchased, and replace them with Sam. I shot the arms and legs separately and then animated them onto Sam's body in post. This was just a way for me to get a little bit less of a robotic motion and ensure that the timing worked. After that, I went back in and added effects to the footage to give it a VHS look. This really reinforced the 80s feel and added an extra level of comedy to the spot. After all that, we looked at the piece and realized that first shot just didn't grab attention the way we wanted it to. So I went back to the script and wrote a new opening. Now we see the birth of the infamous Sam. For this scene, I dressed as a delivery doctor and a patient and used the green screen background to deliver my own baby. And that's pretty much it. It was a long, challenging, and incredibly fun project, and I can't wait to show the world Sam's next chapter. One thing's for sure though, Sam was born to shine. Takes after his daddy, yes he does, yes he does. Follow and subscribe for more.